Hello, dear students. We all live in a society and so many works to be done in our society. Whatever the work to be done can be classified into two groups. One, economic activities, another one is non-economic activities. In this chapter 2 of Sectors of Indian Economy of our economic course book of 10th class, we will discuss about the economic activities done in our society. Economic activities are those activities which are done in lieu of money, and non-economic activities can be done for pleasure, for mental satisfaction, etc. Example, if a teacher is teaching in her class in school, it is called economic activities because she is getting salary for her work. But if that teacher is teaching her children at her home, then it will be called non-economic activities because she is not getting any type of money for that. So in this chapter our point of focus is economic activities. In this picture you can see clearly so many people are doing different types of work. Some are making bricks, some are engaged in farming, some are engaged in rendering their services like postman, lady retailer and porter are doing their or rendering their services. In this space, we will try to classify all these activities into three categories. One, primary sector, second one, secondary sector, and third one is tertiary sector. There are so many activities that are to be done using natural resources. Like in the previous page, you have seen agriculture and bricks making. In agriculture, we use soil, water and sunlight for growing plants. So whatever the plant products like wheat, rice, cotton, we are getting because or by extracting of natural resources. That's why this sector is called primary sector. Second one, secondary sector. We convert the raw material obtained from the primary sector into finished products like making biscuits by using wheat, making clothes from yarn or cotton, spinning of yarn, using sugarcane to make good or sugar, making building with the use of bricks. All these are under secondary sector. So this sector is also called manufacturing sector and industrial sector. Now there is a third category of activities that is called tertiary sector. That is called tertiary sector and different from the other two sectors. In this sector, goods are not produced, only services are rendered. Like the goods that are produced under the primary and secondary sector needs to be transported to the market. So transportation is under service sector because transportation is giving services to those sectors. Like we can take another examples also, like services of teacher, doctor, advocates, washerman, barber, internet cafes, ATM booths, etc. all are under tertiary sector. because all these people are providing services to you. They are not providing any type of goods. So service sector is different than that of other two sectors. Service sector is for the development of the primary and secondary sector also. And we can say that all these three sectors are interdependent over each other. Now, we will try to understand how these three sectors are interdependent over each other. You can see in the table 2.1 some of the examples in this page. Some of the examples of economic activities has been given here. First one is done for you. We will start from the second one. Imagine what would happen to cotton cultivation if companies decide not to buy from the Indian markets and import all cotton they need from other countries. So Indian cotton cultivation will become less profitable and the farmers may even go to bankrupt if they cannot quickly switch over to other crops. Cotton prices will fall. So in this example, primary sector is dependent over secondary sector. Third example is people working in industrial and service sector need food. Imagine what would happen if there is a strike by transporters and lorries refuse to take vegetables, milk, etc. from rural areas. Food will become scarce in urban areas, whereas farmers will be unable to sell their products. So here, primary and secondary sector is dependent over the tertiary sector. So in this way, we have understood that all the economic activities, whether they are in primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sectors, all are interdependent on each other. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.